Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Pyazi Arbi, that is taro roots and onions dry curry. Thoroughly wash 300 gram taro roots and boil until tender, then drain and allow cooling so as to enable to handle easily. Peel all roots and remove tips. Add 2 tablespoons cooking oil or ghee in wok over medium heat. Swirl the wok to coat entire bottom well with oil or melted ghee. Pick boiled and peeled 1 taro root in your hand and press gently between your palms to slightly flatten, and place flattened taro pieces in well-greased wok. Repeat the process to flatten remaining pieces and place all into hot oil. Shallow fry flattened taro while turning sides occasionally on medium-low heat. Fry until well browned at surface. Drain browned taro onto a plate and keep aside for a while. Now add another couple tablespoon of cooking oil or ghee into same wok over medium heat. Also add 3/4 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, into oil or ghee. And when cumin starts to splutter, add 2 medium-size peeled and chopped onions into wok. Stir and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Sauté while stirring occasionally until onions are well browned. Reduce heat to low and season with 1/4 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon or to taste salt, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon or to taste amchur powder, that is dried raw mango powder. Stir and sauté for 1 minute on low heat. Now add shallow fried taro roots into spiced onions. Increase heat to medium-low and toss so as to mix taro well with spicy onions. Finally sprinkle with 1 teaspoon crumbled kasuri methi over taro and onions curry. Toss for a final time to mix all evenly, then transfer into serving bowl. Delicious Pyazi Arbi ki sabzi, that is taro and onions dry curry, is ready. Serve it accompanied with naan roti or parantha. Enjoy! We hope that you liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column for sure. Your feedback means a lot to us. Thanks.